Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradupa and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 29th of January today, Monday, and today we will discuss the long-term forecast for Bitcoin's price according to previous halving cycles, and discuss how Bitcoin spent the weekend and started the new trading week. And we will start with an article by Ekaterina Kiselova. So here Ekaterina suggests to discuss the question of long-term prospects for Bitcoin according to its halving cycles, and she suggests to take into account the point of view of famous crypto analysts, CryptoQuant. He claimed that Bitcoin could exceed its previous maximum high of $69,000, and that peak is possible in 2025. Looking at previous halving cycles, the analysts highlighted that the first occurred in November 2012, and the year before halving, Bitcoin's price was $2.48. 1 year after, it rose to $1,131. Bitcoin dropped to $269 before the second halving, but then it increased to $650 during the halving and reached an impressive $2,518 approximately 1 year after. The cycle repeated in the third halving, and before that, Bitcoin dropped to $7,255. It then slightly increased to $8,762 during the halving, and significantly rose to $56,615 1 year after the halving. And the current cycle anticipates the fourth halving to occur in April 2024 this year. In April last year, Bitcoin rose to $31,000. Looking at the historical cycle data, it seems there is a high likelihood that it will experience significant growth after the fourth halving. At this point, if history repeats for Bitcoin, which experienced colossal growth 1 year after the halving, it's expected that the growth will potentially continue until August 2025 and exceed the previous high of $69,000. So the analyst recommends that after August 2025, investors should slowly start selling and exit the market. But before that, one should buy. Okay, now let's get to another article by Sebastian Seliger and talk about the technical picture of Bitcoin. The article was written on Friday. Let's have a look at the chart. We can see that recently the pair, Bitcoin American dollar pair, demonstrated a new ELA high at 49,126, followed by a swift decline. And currently the market faces a correction at about 20% from this peak, and the recent bounce from the key demand zone indicates a potential for a short-term bullish trend, yet the overall momentum remains weak and negative. Most technical indicators signal a sell, aligning with the bearish trend. However, the presence of both bearish and bullish engulfing patterns suggests market indecision, highlighting the importance of closely monitoring trends. The general sentiment leans towards bullishness through recent data shows a decrease in optimism among Bitcoin traders. This fluctuation in trader sentiment is a critical factor to consider in market analysis. And there are two possible scenarios, bullish and bearish. And in bullish scenario, there is consolidation above 50 moving average, breach the 100 moving average, aiming for higher resistance levels. And there is a risk of failure to surpass the 100 moving average may dampen bullish momentum. And in bearish scenario, utilization of bearish patterns to maintain market control and prices drives below 50 moving average towards the lower support line. And there is a risk that strong break above the 100 moving average could challenge bearish dominance. So, making a conclusion, Sebastian says that the current bearish phase in Bitcoin market suggests a cautious approach for traders. Potential short opportunities could arise from pullbacks to resistance levels. Investors might prefer to wait for clear signs of a market reversal. It's crucial to consider broader market context, including news, fundamental factors, and other metrics in any trading decision. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's the 29th of January, and Bitcoin opened today at the point 41,917, and now it is trading at 42,214. If we look back to the weekend, we can see that it spent all the weekend above or about $42,000, and right on Friday it began to rise from the very morning. In the morning of Friday it was about $40,000, also quite a crucial level, and then it rose. It added almost 2,000 points and spent all the weekend around these levels. So we can almost definitely say that it's a bullish scenario. Bitcoin reversed and went higher. But anyway, the trading week has just begun, and we will see what's gonna happen. But it started this trading week on quite a bullish note. Well, this is all for today. We will see each other tomorrow in our next review. I wish you to have profitable trading. Have a good start of this trading week, and see you next time. Goodbye.